Welcome to the VA home loan process, our step-by-step guide to helping you secure a VA loan and home of your dreams. Purchasing a home is one of life's most exciting achievements, and with a VA loan, it can be one of the easiest and most affordable options available. Here are 7 steps that you can take to secure a VA home loan. Step 1. Obtain your Certificate of Eligibility, COE. The first step in the home loan process is obtaining your COE, which proves that you meet the basic service requirements for a VA loan. You can obtain your COE through your lender, a VA regional loan center, or online through the Veterans Administration e-benefits portal. Step 2. Shop for a VA specializing lender. Once you have your proof of eligibility, start shopping around for lenders who specialize in VA loans. Working with an experienced lender is important to ensure you get the best rate and understand all of the details involved in securing a loan. Step 3. Get pre-qualified and then pre-approved. Before you start house hunting, it's important to get pre-qualified and then pre-approved for your loan so you've a better understanding of how much home you can afford and at what price range to shop in when searching for homes. These paperwork checkpoints will help save time and energy later on when you're ready to submit an offer on a house. Step 4. Resubmit docs and purchase contract. After securing prereqs for the loan and putting an offer down on a home, it's time to formally apply by sending your lender your purchase contract. You'll resubmit a lot of the same documents as before, like pay stubs, W-2s, as well as additional documents related to the home purchase, like the purchase contract with the seller, before proceeding further in the process of buying your home. Step 5. Home appraisal. After your home application is completed and you've submitted the purchase contract to your lender, an appraiser will come out to assess the property you're intending to purchase and ensure that its value matches up with what was agreed upon by both parties during negotiations. Step 6. Review by underwriter. If all is good after the appraisal, then the underwriters will review all of the documents you've submitted to make sure everything meets their standards before they sign off on your final approval of your loan. Step 7. Clear to close. Congratulations, you did it. By now your loan has been cleared to close. Now it's time to attend closing, where all parties sign off on all documents and make final payments toward the purchase price amount specified in their contract agreement. With these 7 steps listed above, hopefully this guide has provided some clarity into what needs to be done when applying for a VA home loan so that everything goes smoothly from start to finish. Military Home Spot Lending is your trusted resource for obtaining VA loans.